At Nitte University Centre for Science Education and Research aka NUCSER, science isn't just studied, it's experienced. From cutting-edge laboratories to research-driven classrooms, you're mentored by experienced faculty and global scholars. Our BSc Honours Biomedical Science program, aligned with the National Education Policy, opens pathways to research and direct PhD admissions. Postgraduate options span biomedical science, food science and technology, biotechnology, bioinformatics, microbiology, cancer biology, and marine biotechnology, offering in-depth specialization and real-world relevance. Here, we don't just train scientists, we shape problem solvers, innovators, and future leaders. NUCSER Mangaluru. This is where your journey into innovation begins.